Today we're going to tell you our picks for the top 5 synthetic oils of 2025. What you need to know before buying. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best synthetic oils in 2025. The 5th product on our list is the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil, which is known as one of the best full synthetic motor oils available today. This oil has been specially formulated to help combat the damaging effects of heat and oxidation. As a result, it offers exceptional resistance to thermal breakdown, allowing engines to maintain peak performance over extended periods. Additionally, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil helps to keep engine parts clean by reducing the formation of harmful deposits. This helps to improve overall engine efficiency and longevity. It also has a high viscosity index, which means that it maintains its viscosity over a wide range of temperatures. This is important because the oil needs to be thick enough to provide adequate lubrication, but not so thick that it becomes difficult to pump. Overall, the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is an excellent choice for drivers who want to protect their engines and improve their driving experience. With its advanced synthetic technology, this oil offers superior performance and protection compared to conventional oils. And with regular oil changes, it can help keep your engine running smoothly for many miles to come. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, switching to the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil may be just what your engine needs. Up next in 4th place is the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, specifically designed to meet the requirements of high-mileage vehicles. This oil has unique additives that help to restore and strengthen older engines. Its anti-wear properties reduce friction and help to prevent the formation of deposits that can cause engine problems. Additionally, the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil helps to prevent leaks by sealing minor imperfections in the engine. This makes it an excellent choice for older vehicles that may have worn seals or gaskets. Furthermore, this oil is compatible with a variety of vehicles, making it a versatile option for high-mileage drivers. It is suitable for use in cars, trucks, and SUVs and can be used in both conventional and hybrid engines. This makes it a great all-around oil for anyone with a high-mileage vehicle. Overall, the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil is a reliable choice for drivers who want to protect their older vehicles. Its specialized additives and anti-wear properties make it an excellent option for preventing engine problems and leaks. So if you're looking for a high-quality oil to keep your high-mileage vehicle running smoothly, the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil may be the perfect choice for you. The 3rd product on our list is the Castrol Edgeful Synthetic Motor Oil, a high-performance oil that provides outstanding engine protection and helps improve fuel economy. It is made with a blend of synthetic and non-synthetic base oils, along with a unique additive package that helps to reduce friction and wear in the engine. This results in improved fuel economy and increased engine performance. Additionally, the Castrol Edgeful Synthetic Motor Oil has a high viscosity index, meaning that it remains at the right viscosity in a wide range of temperatures. This ensures optimal lubrication and protection for the engine under all conditions. Moreover, this oil is designed to help prevent the formation of sludge and deposits in the engine, which can cause decreased performance and increase maintenance costs. Overall, the Castrol Edgeful Synthetic Motor Oil is a great option for drivers who want to improve the performance and fuel economy of their vehicles while also protecting them from sludge and deposit formation. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, this oil is designed to provide the ultimate engine protection and help you get the most out of your vehicle. The 2nd product on our list is the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a premium oil that's designed to deliver maximum engine protection and performance. It's made with PurePlus technology, which uses advanced molecular engineering to create ultra-strong molecules that provide superior protection against engine wear. Additionally, the oil has a high viscosity index, meaning it stays the right consistency in a wide range of temperatures. This ensures optimal lubrication and protection for your engine no matter the weather. Moreover, the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is designed to help prevent the formation of sludge and deposits in the engine, which can cause decreased performance and increase maintenance costs. It also meets the requirements of many car manufacturers for use in gasoline, diesel, and flex fuel engines. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is designed to provide the ultimate engine protection and help you get the most out of your vehicle. With its advanced PurePlus technology and ultra-strong molecules, this oil can help keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Finally, the top product on our list is the AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Oil, which is a high-performance oil that provides exceptional engine protection and helps improve fuel economy. It is made with a unique blend of synthetic base oils and a special additive package that helps to reduce friction and wear in the engine. This results in improved fuel economy and increased engine performance. Additionally, the AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Oil has a high viscosity index, meaning that it remains at the right viscosity in a wide range of temperatures. This ensures optimal lubrication and protection for the engine under all conditions. Moreover, this oil is designed to help prevent the formation of sludge and deposits in the engine, which can cause decreased performance and increase maintenance costs. Furthermore, this oil is made in the USA and it meets the requirements of many car manufacturers for use in gasoline and diesel engines. It is also suitable for use in vehicles with extended oil change intervals. Overall, the AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Oil is a great option for drivers who want to improve the performance and fuel economy of their vehicles while also protecting them from sludge and deposit formation. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, this oil is designed to provide the ultimate engine protection and help you get the most out of your vehicle. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos. The following are some frequently asked questions that potential buyers often ask when shopping for a synthetic oil. What is synthetic oil? Unlike conventional oil, which is refined from crude oil, synthetic oil is made through a chemical process that results in a more uniform and consistent product. This makes synthetic oil more resistant to changes in temperature and pressure, resulting in improved performance and protection for your engine. What are the benefits of using synthetic oil? Synthetic oil offers several advantages over conventional oil, including improved fuel economy, increased engine performance and protection, reduced emissions, and longer oil change intervals. These benefits can result in significant savings over time. What type of oil is best for my vehicle? The type of oil that is best for your vehicle will depend on the manufacturer's recommendations. Some vehicles may require a specific type of synthetic oil, while others may not require any particular type. Check your owner's manual for specific recommendations. How often should I change my oil? The frequency of oil changes will depend on the type of oil you are using and the manufacturer's recommendations. However, synthetic oil typically allows for longer intervals between oil changes, which can save you time and money. Can I use synthetic oil in my older vehicle? Yes, absolutely. In fact, synthetic oil can help restore and strengthen older engines. Older engines tend to have more wear and tear, so the added protection and improved performance of synthetic oil can be particularly beneficial. What is the difference between full synthetic and conventional oil? Full synthetic oil is made entirely through chemical processes, resulting in a more uniform and consistent product. Conventional oil, on the other hand, is refined from crude oil and may contain more impurities and inconsistencies. Is synthetic oil better than high-mileage oil? Synthetic oil generally offers better performance and protection than conventional high-mileage oil. However, if your vehicle has more than 75,000 miles, you may want to consider using high-mileage oil specifically designated for older engines. What is the difference between synthetic blend and full synthetic oil? Synthetic blend oil is a mixture of conventional and synthetic oil, whereas full synthetic oil is made entirely through chemical processes. Full synthetic oil typically offers better performance and protection, but synthetic blend oil can still provide some of the benefits of synthetic oil at a lower price. What is the difference between synthetic and conventional oil? Synthetic oil is made through a chemical process resulting in a more uniform and consistent product, whereas conventional oil is refined from crude oil, which may contain more impurities and inconsistencies. Which brand of synthetic oil is the best? There are many reputable brands of synthetic oil available. Some popular options include Mobil 1, Castrol, Pennzoil, and Valvoline. Ultimately, the best brand for your vehicle will depend on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has answered some of your questions and made shopping for a synthetic oil easier and more enjoyable. Remember to choose the oil that best suits the needs of your vehicle and driving habits.